Hi, you are watching Serena Balea, and I have decided to come out and say it. I am a full cheerleader and supporter of influencers, and I have been doing influencer marketing for a few years now. I've worked with over 350 professional influencers across several industries: e-commerce, cannabis, crypto, gaming, tech, and travel. I've managed over $1 million in ad spend. I have been a product marketing manager, and I feel like I finally have the perspective to give my 2 cents on this topic, which is influencer marketing. So, who is this talk for? If you're a brand and you've just found that your social media efforts are not giving a return, then keep watching. This is for you. If you are in a team, in a marketing team, and you're thinking about starting an ambassador program, keep watching. This is for you. If your collaborations just haven't turned out the way that you wanted, or your content marketing is increasing in cost and delivering lower yields, then keep watching because influencer marketing just might be for you. I'm going to start by answering the question, what is influence? If you think about the things that influence you, it's always in a group, and community is the biggest driver of influence that you could possibly have. In social media standpoint, I pertain community to comments. If somebody is here for the comments, that is a community driven value of the digital world. And also, I wanted to say that a persona is more the right word than an influencer. Everybody knows you can be whoever you want online. If that particular persona has gathered a lot of interest, then keep going. I support you. So, at its core, influencer marketing is product placement, asset creation, and a sales channel. All of these have to cohesively marry together in a very distinct way. And I see apps trying to do this automatically. I'm asked about these apps all the time. I will make another video on them. But a product placement, asset creation, and a sales channel all in one, all delivered by one person. But where is this influencer? Where should you be looking for your influencers? You don't need to target all the platforms. Only choose the relevant platform. And I would argue only choose one relevant platform, because if somebody is relevant on any particular platform, it is most likely that their content is going to bleed out into other short format content or images posted on all the apps that you see here. And the one thing that I would love a company to have before I start a campaign is a buyer persona. If you don't know who you're selling to, then you're selling to no one. I'm sure Gary Vee said that at some point. But you can observe traffic from competitors to get a buyer persona. And this will really help you hone down who you should be getting to influence your buyers. And the one thing that I would love brands to take away from this is you need to treat influencer marketing the same as any other funnel. It's going to have stages. If you do set up these right stages with one particular influencer at every point of the funnel, your conversions will be hugely successful. So each of these stages, consider them a piece of content, and that will actually help you to collaborate with someone, and they'll know better what call to action to put. And having more structure and regular content, just like touches and repetitiveness in retargeting, works, and it works better with influencers because it's not the same ad being shown every time. What is the return on investment? The number one question I get asked. What is the return on investment? If you have set up your influencer partnerships in a way that they're making regular content for you over the course of 3 months or 6 months, you will see an exponential rise towards the end of that campaign. I have seen UCG ads, or super user ads, as I call them, return better, 3 times better than traditional paid ads. I also can see a lot of questions where people want conversions first more than anything. A one-touch sale is rare, but it has been happening more and more frequently, especially with the rise of live selling tools on TikTok. And strategize your influencer marketing campaign. There is a lot of celebrities, but celebrities don't necessarily convert. If you do have a set budget, consider all of the different types of influencers you can have and try and arrange them in certain dates or certain days of the week that can help you strategize who to use and when to use them. And budgeting. Budgeting is also one of the biggest questions that I get asked, and I've seen it go really well, and I've seen it not go so well. So I'm using this diagram of phi, which is one of the constants of the universe. As you can see, it is a majority, like more than a third of the budget is usually goes towards paid advertising. Keep that paid advertising budget, but the rest of this should be going towards content creation and influencer marketing management. I sincerely believe that all your content should just be made by influencers. It's their job, and they've been doing it longer than you have or I have. Uh, Thank you.